Sige, let's continue. So, para sa next topic natin, this is solar power plant. Okay, so sa solar power plant, ito po yung ating concept, no? So, of course, obviously, we're extracting the energy from the sun using collecting panels, kung tawagin. So, this is our collecting panels, okay? Panel. So, of course, hihigupin natin yung energy from the sun, kung tawagin, Q-sun, energy from the sun. Then, meron tayong tubig na papasok dito. Kung mapapansin natin, yung ating collecting panels, most of the time, naka-incline, no? So, may papasok kasi dyang tubig at 0.1 having temperature 1. Upon absorbing heat from the sun, of course, lalabas yung ating tubig at 0.2 with temperature 2. Assuming hindi magbabago yung mass, so magkaroon siya ng sensible heat. So, ang conversion lang natin, napakabilis po nito, no? So, ang conversion natin, yung heat from the sun is converted into sensible heat ng tubig. And, kaya po naka-incline yan kasi meron tayo dyang change in elevation. Kaya meron tayong potential energy. So, ganun lang po kasimple. Yung energy galing sa araw na convert into sensible ni tubig at potential na nangyari. So, expand ko lang. Sensible heat is mc delta T. And of course, your potential energy is m delta Z po. mg delta Z. So, yan na po yung ating working equation. Okay? So, sige. So, let's try to solve sample problems dito, no? So, ito yung una. A collecting panel 20 square meters in area receives solar energy at the rate of 750 watts per square meter. So, yan po yung heat from the sun. Pero per area siya, kaya heat per area. 750 watts per square meter. It is estimated that 35% of the incident energy is lost to the surrounding. So, meron tayong heat loss, which is 35% of the incident energy, which is obviously the heat from the sun. Okay? Then next, water enters at 0.05 kilograms per second with a temperature inlet entering of 15. Calculate the temperature of the water leaving, yun yung tinatanong, temperature leaving, if the change in elevation is 2 meters. Okay? So, may given, may required. So, ang gawin lang natin is i-substitute sa working equation. So, the working equation kanina po ay ito. Direct sub naman. The heat from the sun, obviously, 750. Pero since per area, kailangan i-cancel out. So, times mo ng area, 20. But, alam natin, since meron tayong heat loss na 35%, ang ating ma-extract lang or mako-convert is obviously 1 minus 0.35 or simply 65%. Yan lang po yung napakinabangan. Kumbaga, then, equal sa mass ng tubig, given. Specific heat ng tubig is 4.187 or 4187 joules tayo since tayo ay naka-watts dito. Watts na po yan. Delta T is temperature leaving minus entering. Mas mainit lagi yung leaving kasi tayo ay humigop ng init. Plus, mass again ng tubig. Local gravity is 9.81 and change elevation is 2. So, consistent na po ang units niyan. Naka-watts, watts, naka-watts din tayo. Okay? So, pindutin na lang natin yan sa ating calculator. So, i-move lang natin yan dito. Yan. So, input natin. So, that is 750. Shift solve na lang tayo para hindi na tayo mag-simplify, no? 750 times 20 times 0.65 kasi may loss tayo. Pag walang binanggit, edi 100% yun, no? Is equal to 0.05 of 4187 tayo para na watts yung lalabas. Multiply by alpha x, ito yung unknown. Minus 15, pwede ng arbitrary yan since yan ay temperature change. Plus 0.05 again for your mass again ng tubig. Local gravity SI 9.8066 or 9.81 na lang. Change in elevation is 2 meters. Shift solve. Simulan ko sa 20 kung ano man yan. Then ayun, 61.56. That is your temperature leaving. 61.568 degree Celsius. Okay?